Hi guys, if you saw my previous video, then you'll see that we have experimented with Storm OS and we've installed the ArchLinux Tweak Tool, changed some themes, installed some themes and icons, and we've installed CHDWM, we installed the Bash RC and stuff like that, right? We had some fun with Storm OS, so another Arch Linux distro that we can say ArchLinux Tweak Tool supports now 17, 18 of these ArcoLinux distros. But we have added also something that has been created by a valid member of ours, and it's something new, and it's called packages, right? Let me move it to that screen and this one to there. Better. So, thanks to the coding and the time of Vanek, we have here the packages, something new. So, well, it keeps growing, right? The ArcoLinux Tweak Tool, because we miss this, we miss that. Might be interesting to have this and that. So here, let's read together. So packages, exporting packages, installing packages. So sometimes we hear that like this system is great the way it is. I would like to have the same packages on my next installation, on my clean install, right? So what do we have? No AOR packages are exported. That's important. Option: all installed packages will export all packages currently installed on your system. Lots of packages. Option: explicit installed packages, so down here and down here. Recommended: will export installed packages only found in sync databases, less packages. Tip: to see packages installed from AOR in the terminal, type the QQEM. Something maybe you can write down, but you know where it is. It's here, right? A list of installed packages will be exported too. Okay, so I go there. So I am on Home Eric, and something will happen to my system if I click on Export Packages. Packages exported too. Fine, and then we open it shortly with Sublime Text, and this is basically what I have on my system. This is the ISO builder, which means it's a lot of packages, but it's 700 packages that we have. If you do exactly the same with all installed packages, it just overwrites the same file, and you see that it's a little bit longer, right? This is all the lib stuff as well, lib elements. So like he says, Vanek is right in saying do this, because all the packages that it needs, well, will be installed anyway. So this is the good option, I would say. And then you have an image, you have a screenshot, basically a list of the packages that you've installed now on your machine, and you want to have the same on machine 2. Voila. So that's a way of doing things. And what you do, of course, on the other system is install packages. So let's kill this thing. I have some more room. Install packages. And it wants to know, do I need to? Voila. So it immediately knows, oh, look at that. In Home Eric, there is a package called packages x86-64 text. He finds it. So make sure it's in the home directory. And that's it. On the second computer, you run ATT. You say install. And I could install this, but I won't, right? It's already installed, of course, so it's just gonna skip. Well, I could install it, and it doesn't make any sense, but there is no problem with it. It means it's just gonna skip through all kinds of things saying, hey, it's available. It will update also the system, I think. It's removing things here and installing things again. So need it, right? Need it. If it's already there, it's just gonna skip everything. I will have the same system again, right? Installed again. So it takes a while, of course. It needs, in your case, maybe it needs to download everything, right? And then install it. So yes, it might take some time. In this case, it's just gonna check. It's there, okay, it's there, and then just skips all these files. Almost there. Well, yeah, we don't have to wait. So there's the option, right? Packages, export it, go to another computer system, launch ATT, import it, with the install. And of course, make sure you have internet so we can grab it from the internet and install it. All right, almost there. Maybe you can wait a little bit more. And then, you know, this is a possibility today. You can actually do this. All right, enjoy.